Orcus is a dwarf planet located in the Kuiper Belt, a region beyond Neptune populated by icy bodies. Orcus is classified as a Plutino because it shares a similar orbital resonance with Neptune. Orcus completes 2 orbits for every 3 of Neptune's. This orbital resonance prevents close encounters with Neptune, ensuring long-term stability. Orcus's orbit is highly eccentric and inclined relative to the ecliptic plane, similar to Pluto's. Orcus and Pluto share a similar orbital period and are both locked in a 2-3 orbital resonance with Neptune. This animation illustrates the comparative trajectories of Orcus and Pluto, highlighting their synchronized movements and distances from Neptune. Orcus's surface primarily consists of water ice, with potential inclusions of methane and ammonia ices. Spectroscopic analysis suggests the presence of processed organic materials on Orcus's surface. The surface of Orcus is relatively dark, characterized by a low albedo. Orcus's surface features include impact craters and areas of varying ice composition.